Hello there, YouTubers. Do you remember the ITT model SL530 cassette recorder? Well, here it is. I found this unit a long time ago at the dump, and I just recently came across this unit again, and I cleaned off some dirt and some dust, and it's still working. When I got this unit, I had to spray the volume and tone control, but other than that, it was working perfectly back then. It's running on the original belt and all original components, and want to switch to an external microphone now. And now I'm recording using a vintage, probably late 1960s Löwe Opta external microphone. This is the only external microphone I have that is using DIN plugs, so it's the only one I can use on this machine, because the input jack is a DIN jack, unfortunately. Let's see how this comes out. This is a really old microphone, but at least with other machines it sounds really good. And now I'm back on the internal microphone. This is a really high quality AC bias cassette recorder, and that's it. First, let's rewind this cassette. There it goes. Doesn't have a full auto stop, only works during play. I hope you enjoyed this video of this probably late 80s ITT model SL530 cassette recorder. See you again soon.